students. We are going to continue with the play Andha Yug by Dharamveer Bharti. Now we see the entry of the mendicant on the stage, and the mendicant says, I have wandered far from Hastinapur, very far. I am old and cannot see clearly, but I thought I saw some people here a moment ago. I wonder if I still have the coins Gandhari gave me when I predicted this is inevitable, that is inevitable, and this will come to pass, and that will come to pass. So now the mendicant is saying that he had predicted all the events that happened here earlier, predicted, but somewhere his prophecy was proven wrong. But today, the tower of defeat has only proved how unpredictable the future is. So now, students, this is a very, very interesting observation, because even uh, the person who claims to see the future, and there are certain people who make predictions about the future, but this line that future is unpredictable is it says a lot. It means a lot when this mendicant says. And in the character, through this character, the writer is trying to say that however great one is at professing or foreseeing the future, but the fact is that we cannot predict the future. We can make some sort of assumption, but we cannot predict the future. Truth resides in the acts we perform. What man does at each moment becomes his future for ages and ages. And now, in this way, he's saying that what we do today becomes our future. The seeds of the future are in present only, because the future will be formed by the present. That is why Krishna said to Arjuna, lift up your bow, Arjuna, fight without fear. The meaning of a man's existence lies in the actions he performs, not in his refusal to act. So, students, this is the essence of the Bhagavad Gita. When the war started, the Mahabharata war, when it started, Arjuna was in a dilemma, and he did not want to fight against his own brothers and his own gurus, his own family members. But then Lord Krishna gave him that insight, and he just said that Arjuna has to perform his duty, because a person is always remembered for what he does and not for what he refuses to do. So he asks Arjuna to fulfill his duty, what his duty is in the war as a soldier, and not to think about the circumstances and not to think about anything else, and just to do his duty. He sees a broken bow lying on the ground. He bends down to pick it up. Who left this bow here? Has some other Arjuna begun to doubt? And when he sees the bow, he says that who has left this bow here? Has some other Arjuna begun to doubt what he is doing? So these are very beautiful lines spoken by the mendicant, but the doubts of Arjuna were removed and by Lord Krishna, and he obtained his enlightenment through the teachings of Lord Krishna, and how he spoke about the importance of duty, and one should always do one's duty and perform one's action and not think about the result or the circumstances. Just follow the path of your duty. And then Arjuna fought in the war of Mahabharata. So these are the lines by the mendicant, And in this way, we see the atmosphere post war that is there in the Mahabharata war. So we'll study further in our next class. That is all for today. Thanks.